In English, we might say, how do you sign T? As in, what is the sign for T? Not like you're going to sign your name on it. All right, in ASL, we'll go like this. All right, let's learn how to sign this question. All right, first, you probably already guessed, I just fingerspelled T. Now, this is very useful because when you know how to fingerspell, but you don't know a sign, well, you can fingerspell the word and then ask how sign. All right, so in this example, we're using T, so we're just going to go T, E, A, just like that. T, E, A. Right. What's the sign for how? How. How. Okay. Here's the sign for sign. The sign for a sign. Go like this. We're going to use our index fingers, right? Both hands. Now we're going to do backwards rotating bicycle movements, all right? They're not together. They're alternating. Sign. From the sign. Other sign. Sign. From the front again. Sign. All right? Keep in mind, you may see people doing forward bicycle movements. Just depends, could be a regional sign. That's how they grew up signing it differently. To be consistent throughout this course, I will be doing backwards, rotating, alternating bicycle movements. Sign. Okay, this is a yes-no question. We got how in there, so make sure to furrow your eyebrows, right? For me, when I do this sentence, it feels natural to start furrowing when I go how, right? So when I'm fingerspelling T, I'll probably just have regular eyebrows. Time for practice. Here we go. Sign and fingerspell with me. Here we go. T, E, A, how, sign. T, how, sign. All right, a little bit quicker. Okay, now in case you're wondering what's the sign for T, go like this. All right, my dominant hand's this one, non-dominant hand, we're going to make like a cup. We're going to say O shape, put it down there. Dominant hand, thumb and the index finger together, the letter F, and we're going to take the tip right there and just go around the rim of the cup a couple times. T. Like you have a tea bag, you're going to dip it in, T. Okay, you learned something new. Bonus sign, wonderful. So this structure, I mentioned before, is really useful, especially for people who are learning. They don't have a big vocabulary and they're around deaf people or people who are signing. You see something or you have a word that you want to communicate, you're not sure the sign, just fingerspell it. Yes, fingerspelling is so useful. So once again on this one, it's just T-E-A-T, how, sign. Let's change it. Let's say it's car. We're just going to spell car, how, sign. Let's sign it. What do you think? How do you do it? Just C-A-R, how, sign. I'm going to give you a shortcut for this as well. We could skip the word how. As long as we go like this, sign, with furrowed eyebrows, we could take a shortcut. So we could go like this. T, sign. All right? Because of those furrowed eyebrows, if you want to, you can take a shortcut and not actually sign how. Now I'm here and I want you to be able to sign and practice longer sentences, even though it's 3 words, 3 signs. So I'm going to have you sign how. So when we do a review, when we do testing, you're going to see this, and I'll need you to sign this. Okay, so we just talked about how to sign T, as in T-E-A, how, sign.